Guys, stop what you're doing. Hit the subscribe button. Come on, let's get some sun with Paz. And you know what? We're off to Blackpool. We're going to go and see the World Championship Fireworks 2022. It's Barbados, Carib Fire FX. We're also going to have a walk around Blackpool. It is supposed to be raining and it is supposed to be windy, so hopefully all this is going to happen. But you know what? We're not going to find out unless we get there, and we're going in the Audi TT. I don't care. It's an hairdresser's car. It'll get me there. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's get going. So guys, I know you can't hear anything I'm saying, so I did a little bit of a voiceover here. I want to keep this section in because I wanted you to see the sea. Look at the waves behind me. They are manic. The wind was gusting above 25 miles an hour. It didn't spoil the day, and we had some great fun. Come on, let's go and have a look in Blackpool.
To Blackpool, sir. Blackpool welcomes you. We're going to walk up the sea of the sea. Go.
Well guys, you can't come to Blackpool and not go in the arcades, can you? Guess what? Got what by my niece on this here.
Got it.
Air hockey. Tell ya, throttle her in a minute. Come on, let's go. Guys, we've been on the central pier and the wind is calming down now, thankfully. God almighty, it was blowing a gale earlier. 25 miles an hour. I think it's calmed down to more like 15 miles an hour now, so hopefully you can hear me. But the waves are still pretty big. I'll show you them in a second. We're just heading over to Coral Island because the kids want to have a play in there, and then we're off to the tower to see whether we can swap these tickets for Madame Two Swords. So come on, let's go and have a look at Coral Island. Raz, where are we going?
The ghost train.
On the ghost train? No. Right guys, here we are on the ghost train. Oh no. Look out,
I'm slightly high. I'm like a stick of dynamite. Why it's happening? Cause you keep your snap down low. Just so you know, bang up big gaps on here. Wait, you know the Gosha boys still planning. You know the whole bit of the latest. I want to push no whip for a statement. Man, make the cleanest. I don't try to finish. You know the boys got flavors. 416, gotta meet me on pavement. Yo, driving whips not dangerous. Rhythm in the cut, straight flame, no quavers. We're riding along to them beats. All boys getting gas. Cause a rhythm on fleek. 416, boy 863. Can you tell I'm home? Cause the boys miss me. This place my head with the people. I get lost in the face. My DM, boy got strong and stress like that. Just no transfer. That's back to hotel. Angel food, now we're lost. The life don't last. Let's go. Spit wood for wood. One gaff day dance. That's twice that drop. No plans.
Well, to be honest with you guys, that was rubbish. Well guys, I'd say this, but I think that was the nappiest ghost train ride I've ever been on in my life. Not that I've been on many. Come on, let's carry on.
Well guys, I've finally set up. We're at the point where we're going to film the fireworks. So just remember, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe, give it a thumbs up and hit the bell for notifications. Now come on, let's watch these fireworks go off.